Can you believe it's been 5 years since the first Project Quran pack was shipped out, and since then, we haven't stopped gifting.
Hand-wrapped and packed with loving care from our base here in Sydney. Over 40,000 of these free Quran packs have been gifted to Muslims and non-Muslims all around Australia.
We've also sent pallet loads of these Qurans to our neighbours in Papua New Guinea and Fiji. Initially I thought, who reads books, right? Everyone these days is online, reading off their phones and tablets. But the orders kept coming in, from capital cities to rural country towns. Muslims, new Muslims, and even people from other faiths who wanted to learn about Islam.
Over the years, we have collaborated with different individuals and organisations to gift more copies of the Quran to people in places we couldn't reach ourselves. Mosque open days, kids in foster care, Muslims in rehab, and others in prisons who want to reconnect with the Quran.
We even have amazing Muslim individuals who order in bulk and do their own gifting through the neighbourhood and work placement. Some even promote it on platforms like Facebook Marketplace and eBay.
A little over a year ago, we introduced Embrace, a new Muslim gift pack full with resources to help somebody new on their journey to Islam. And subhanallah, the amount of requests was phenomenal, from individuals, mosques, organisations, all dealing with new Muslims. Last year alone, over 2,000 of these were distributed Australia-wide.
But we didn't stop there. Recently we started cold calling our non-Muslim customers who ordered the Quran. You know why? Just to touch bases to see if there are any questions so they're not left alone. Did you know in the past 4 months, 75 people have taken Shahadan?
And I was one of them. I got the call from Project Quran checking up on me. To be honest, I was already wanting to become a Muslim but didn't know how. The call came at the perfect time and I said my Shahada there and then.
Luke is just an example of the many people we speak to every day. There's a massive demand for Islam. We just need to be there to lend out a helping hand.
It's been 5 amazing and rewarding years, and inshallah, we hope that you will join us on this journey as we continue to gift the Quran.